In this section, we are going to use an existing script to save the data from our session. The save script is already included in the project, so we do not need to create it. Before connecting it, let's open the script and understand what it does. At the beginning, the script defines a variable called delay before send. This variable controls how long the system waits before saving and sending the data. Inside the start function, the script generates a unique session ID. Then, it starts a coroutine that waits for the specified amount of time. After this delay, the script collects the total number of pellets using the variable from the response script. Next, it creates a small dataset in CSV format. Then, the data is encoded and sent through a URL, which opens automatically in the browser. This allows the data to be downloaded as a file. Now that we understand what the script does, let's connect it in Unity. Go to the hierarchy and select the object called Script Object. Drag the save script onto it. You will now see its variables in the inspector. You can adjust the delay before send value to control how long the session lasts before the data is saved. Now run the scene. After the specified time, a browser window will open automatically, and the data will be available for download. This is how the system stores and exports the results of the experiment.